Hello, welcome everyone. Today we are creating. My name is Renee Howard. I am the CEO of Divine by Design, Lady Renee, and I am an entrepreneur. I'm a life insurance agent, life and health, as well as life coach for self-care and holistic wellness. And I'm also a content strategist, a social media strategist. And today I am creating a form for a contact list. And I wanted to share this with you because this is something that I learned. And as a coach, as I learn, I teach. So I am going to go through how to create a funnel, the beginning of a just basic funnel, so that you can collect emails and then have them transferred to a spreadsheet automatically in Google Suite. So come along with me as I go through the process. And I sometimes will use ChatGPT to help me create the titles and the descriptions and all intricacies of it. Um, right now, Gemini is asking me how I'd like to start. So we may experiment with Gemini and see how we go, how to create from there. Um, let's just see. I'm gonna use chat to, I'm a prompt chat with this. I'm taking a screenshot of what Gemini is offering me. And here I am on my page. I want to create an event that's coming up to collect for sponsorship. So I'm putting it into chat and hopefully chat spits out instructions and we won't have to do too much, you know? That's the beauty of AI these days. Amazing. Now, in the past, I would have to go in and create each column, but let's see if Gemini, using this description, this very detailed description, go back to forms, paste this into Gemini and see what happens. Now, I've had, oh, that was fast. I've created a spreadsheet with Gemini and it took a little while to create, but it was wonderful. I didn't have to do anything. It created on its own. Excuse me. Create professional Google form, event partnership. I'm gonna, how do I accept it? I don't, it looks like it's right. Create form. And I'm going to share the result back with chat. This just requires a lot of screenshots for me. It's all about efficiency. Down here, simple. Fastest, I don't really want to call it. Mm, with bags. That took how long? Request sponsorship level. And let's go back and edit that. At these three questions under section 4, sponsorship opportunities. Yeah, they're saying what is the lowest sponsorship level and just included. Okay, let's create a whole new one. Just create another question by clicking the plus sign. Okay. It's just no meaning. Just like that. And then multiple choice, all of these. Awesome. Add one question under promotional outreach, average social media. It's optional short answer. Promotional outreach. Short answer, examples, average post reach, average event attendance, average video. Okay, go back and make these questions required and push this to the side so that I can see. Start from the top. Organization name. Go here, just click that. Required contact is required. Click those dots again for, oh, we don't need the title, but we do need the email. Event name. Okay, event name. This is description response validation. Okay, well, there's something about that I need to remember. But nonetheless, we don't need to remember it now. Date, location is required. Event descriptions required. Estimated attendance. Primary audience. When sponsorships available. Okay, confirmation message was also created by chat, and I would just go to settings and select presentations. Confirmation message is here. We edit, include the confirmation, and then responses. I want it to link to Sheets, and this is where we go to spreadsheets. Boom. So we just created a whole spreadsheet for this partnership, and it took, I don't know, 10 minutes. Amazing. And I had to do that myself. And let me just take a screenshot of what we have and move forward. Let me check. I already did that actually. I just want to know, I know I made that required. Which is abstract. I want to ask Chat, do I make these required since they're under the umbrella of sponsorship? Then definitely good questions to ask. Did I make them required or not to be answered? No. Mhm. Okay. Um, So it looks like I'm ready to publish, and everything is saved to the cloud. I don't have to do too much, manage anyone with the link. Yes. For now, we're nobody will be notified when publishing the form. Okay. Well, no. And that is done. I copy the link. If you need to copy, you just go up here. But it gives you the option when you're saving it to conveniently copy and paste it. So I copied and pasted. I put it in my chat and saved it. And chat is happy, 9.5. So I have to now create another organization. So we put that away. Go back out to blank form. And we're going to do the same thing again. So that was a tutorial on the way to create a funnel, click funnel. Very easy, very simple, especially with AI, using Gemini and ChatGPT. I learned just like you did just now how to do that. And I hope you can take this and use it and implement it into your business if you're an entrepreneur or if you're nonprofit and create something amazing. And let's see if you learned anything or you were inspired today. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment on my channel. I'll be happy to comment back if you have any questions. Many, many blessings, and y'all have a wonderful day.